Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to link Payoneer with Wave Accounting and explain whether it's currently possible. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and go to the official Wave Accounting website. Sign in to your Wave account. Once you're on the dashboard, you might expect to find an option to connect Payoneer under the Banking or Bank Connections section. However, at the moment, Wave Accounting does not support a direct integration with Payoneer. This means there isn't a built-in option to link your Payoneer account directly to Wave for automatic transaction syncing. If you receive payments through Payoneer, you'll need to manage those transactions manually. One option is to download your transaction history from Payoneer and enter the transactions into Wave manually. If your Payoneer account is connected to a supported bank account, you may also be able to sync that supported bank account with Wave instead. Before setting up your workflow, it's always a good idea to check whether Wave has added new banking integrations, as supported connections may change over time. And that's it. Now you know that Wave Accounting does not currently offer a direct way to link Payoneer accounts. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.